So back in 2017, when we started Linear 6 with a bunch of technology and banking domain experts, our mission was really to set up a fintech that would compete with banks. But we changed that approach and we decided that we will help banks with the deep domain knowledge and the technical knowledge that we have to implement some cutting-edge technologies so that banks can use them to serve a wider customer base in a more meaningful manner. So Linear 6 is all about helping banks be better through technology. New generation architectures, new generation software products that are all within our DNA. We don't implement legacy systems. We reinvent ourselves how we build our own products, keeping cost and agility in mind. So we take this innovation into banks so that they can utilize them to serve their own customer bases. While we are building our own products, we also have partnered with some of the world-class product vendors that have a proven track record. These product vendors' products are all in line with our vision that we see in the financial services world. And we build these solutions together and give it to a bank for them to serve their customers ultimately. Ultimately, to give a better experience, it's the banker that has to perform their task in a faster manner. So this is super critical for the banker to quickly serve the customer and send him off rather than having to keep him waiting in the branch for long amounts of time. So Lime can declutter the already existing clutter that's in an IT architecture of a bank. So it simplifies product launches. It simplifies their internal users to perform their day-to-day tasks. It also has great auditability so that if things go wrong, the bank knows where it went wrong. And also you can use it for your remote staff, because COVID has now brought this remote first work from home kind of work environments, which banks also will adapt. Lime works on omnichannel architecture, where it works on your tab, mobile phone, or your computer which is lying in the office. And it securely connects to all the complex systems. And a user can now perform their banking operations even from home. One of the key things that we want to achieve is to make a mark in the Sri Lankan tech landscape by truly building a global product and launching it to the region first and then taking it into advanced markets. And we truly believe that we have the engineering capabilities within Sri Lanka to put up a great product, a truly world-class product, and take it to the market. So our next aspiration is to go out of Sri Lanka, first maybe to the region, and then to advanced markets like the Americas or the European markets. We are the founding team of Linear 6 are bankers, so they know the real world banking problems that they faced. And also we have engineers who have built world-class high-performance applications, which is quite rare. So these two elements coming together, we believe that will result in a great product which stands out from the thousands of other products that are in the market. So we've incorporated speed, scale, security into the product that we have built.